Hello students. Today I am going to start with nomenclature of halogens. IUPAC nomenclature of halogens. Now halogens, they are also called as alkyl halides or haloalkanes. They are called as haloalkanes or alkyl halides because they contain one of the halogens or more than one also in some cases. For example, chlorine can also be present, fluorine can also be present, bromine and iodine, all four can also be present in one compound. But that you will be studying in later stages. Right now, you need to understand that how are haloalkanes or alkyl halides obtained. These are obtained from alkanes by replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by halogens. Now you all know what are halogens: chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine. They are called as halogens. As we always do, let us understand the formula first. CnH2n plus 1. By now you know that this is R or alkyl group. CnH2n plus 1. प्लस वन क्यों? क्योंकि एल्केन में से एक वैलेंसी फ्री की है, हाइड्रोजन का रिमूवल किया है, इसलिए प्लस वन. और उस हाइड्रोजन को जो रिमूव किया तो उसकी जगह कुछ तो सब्सटीट्यूट देना पड़ेगा ना उस कार्बन की चार वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए. सो क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन एंड फ्लोरीन डज दैट. सो RH, if you remove hydrogen and you add one halogen, it gives you RX, where this X can be any halogen. Now let us understand first compound, that is methane. Always C value is 1, so C1 H2 into 1 plus 1 and 1 X, and that stands for halogen. So C1 means CH3Cl in case I am adding chlorine as halogen. Now you should understand that in halogens we are not adding suffix, we are adding a prefix. Why? Because these halogens are not considered as a principal functional group. That is why suffix is not added. जैसे आपने एल्कोहल्स में OL लगाया था, या एल्डिहाइड में AL लगाया था, या कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में ओइक एसिड लगाया था, सफिक्स लगाया था. यहाँ पे प्रीफिक्स लगाना है, फ्लोरो, क्लोरो, ब्रोमो, आयोडो, डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट हेलोजन इज प्रेजेंट इन द कंपाउंड. सो नाउ दिस इज मेड फ्रॉम व्हाट? Methane. And what is added? Chloro. And I told you the prefix is to be added. So the name will become chloromethane. Got it? The name will be chloromethane. Now, if the number of carbon is 2, so C2H5, this will be the alkyl group. C2H5, if I remove one hydrogen from alkane, so it will become C2H5. And again, if I suppose I add Cl over here, so it becomes chloroethane. It becomes chloroethane over here. Okay, now let us place, let us make propane. 1, 2, 3. See, in both these cases, I have added chlorine to the terminal carbon atom. Now this time let me add, say, iodine to the central carbon atom. So the valencies over here will be CH3, here also CH3. How many remaining over here? 1. Okay. Now which side we will start numbering? Any side we can do that. Why? Because it is in the center. The iodine is in the center. So आप कहीं से भी numbering start करेंगे वो 2 पे ही आएगा. तो अभी सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जब भी नाम रखते हैं तो root word. What is the root word? 1, 2, 3. Propane. Root word is propane. प्रोपेन में क्या लगा है? कौन सा प्रीफिक्स लगा है? क्यों प्रीफिक्स देखना है? क्योंकि ये हेलोजन है. तो कौन सा प्रीफिक्स लगा है? आयोडीन. उसको लिखेंगे आयोडो. लेकिन आयोडो कौन से पोजीशन पे लगा है? पोजीशन बताना पड़ेगा ना. तो सेकंड पोजीशन पे 2 आयोडो प्रोपेन. गॉट इट? द फॉर्मूला एंड द नेम 2 आयोडो प्रोपेन. Now let us take 4 carbon compound. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the root word? But. First let us satisfy all the valency. अब इसमें suppose हम यहाँ पे Br लगा देते हैं. So this will be CH3, 1, 2, 3. So 1 remaining. Here 1, 2. So 2 remaining. Okay, so first we are looking for the root word. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if I number from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong. This side is correct. 1, 2. Why? Because this bromine, which is not a principal functional group, but still it is a functional group. It should come on the lowest carbon. So the name becomes root word butane. And in butane, what is added? Bromo. Where is it added? At second position. So the name becomes 2-bromo-butane. Likewise, suppose I take this type of example. CH, okay, and then another C and H. So if I try to take CH2 and CH2, one valency is free. CH2, CH2. How many valencies are free now? See, let us write like this. It will make you clear. So one here, one here. CH, 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 CH. So one valency free over here, one valency free over here. Suppose I add one Cl over here and also one Cl over here. Now what will be the name? See, look for the carbon atom. How many carbon atom are there? 2. So the root word is ethane. Now in ethane, what is added? Chlorine. See, now you can start numbering from any side. Why? Because wherever you start, both the numbers will get one chlorine. So what is added? Chlorine. So chloro. How many chlorine? 2. That means di. At which position? 1, 2. So the name becomes 1,2-dichloroethane. Understood? With this, I close my class for IUPAC nomenclature of halogens. We'll meet next time with IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones.